We are finally ready to take our next step in our complete Springhouse restoration. After building the rafters, cutting the rafter seats and the top plates, and prefabbing everything off-site, I was finally ready to bring it all together. It was going to be a struggle, and there were going to be plenty of surprises in store for me. First things first, I have to take everything apart, load it up on the truck. Each of these timbers is a solid white oak 6x6 and weighs well over 250 pounds. And we're off for another adventure. I'll try to support the remains of the current roof until the plates are in, even though there really isn't much left of the old roof. My goal is to bring everything together in the Springhouse without ripping off the old roof yet. Once I do take that roof off, I'll be committed to putting on the new shingles immediately. I'm not quite ready for that step, so I'll keep the limited protection of the bad shingles, such as it is. Oh man, she's done. Totally rotten. There ain't nothing left here. This concrete they slapped on top of it certainly did not help. So this is a disaster. Oh, look at that. That's gone. I need to be careful as I do the demo work. The history of this building is hidden in the construction details. If I'm too aggressive in the demolition, these very important details could be lost very easily. This is the piece I just pulled down. And if you look right here, this is a very important clue. This was the top. They had a peg going through here. The attic joists on one half of the building were tied into the top plate, the mortise and tenon joint. And here are the remains of an attic joist, and here are the remains of a peg. This modern cement played a key role in destroying the old timber plate. The concrete acted almost like a vapor barrier and kept moisture trapped in the timber. It's hard to believe these siding boards are 200 years old. I'll save them to copy them later. I can start walking the new plates up the ladders. This would be a 20-minute job with an extra set of hands, but finding day laborers not addicted to drugs or alcohol is almost impossible today. So I'll do it all myself. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Das war ein Befehl!
I copied the original plates pretty closely. And now my usual breakfast of tea and tobacco. This next plate is going to be far more challenging. Well, the rain's starting to roll in. I think we'll call it a day. This sets me back a little bit. I got to bring the rafters up tomorrow anyway. This is just add about half an hour to my work. So that's not a big deal. Take out that modern cement. Or cement up here, but we'll pull that out when we tear the rest of the roof off. have this pivot point right here. I can go ahead and lift up on this and slowly swing it across until it catches on the top of the stonework here. If this drops, I have to do it all over again. When dealing with heavy timbers like this, I'm very slow and very cautious. Now she's in there. I gotta pick this up, slide her in close to 6 inches or so. Well, we got her up there. I'm going to put the rafters in as close to their final position as possible. I won't be able to put them in their final position until the rest of the roof is off. God damn it. Son of a...
Die gesamte Generalität ist in 2000 Haufen niederträchtiger, treuloser Feiglinge. Die Generalität ist das Geschmolz des deutschen Volkes.
Got that gap here, which once we rip the old roof off, we can take this on up, and that gap close right on up, and that should be a tight joint right there. Now this one will go up. Should be very, very close. This old junk rafter is right in my way. tempted to set the other 3 rafters, but if I did that, they'd just get in my way because I have to pull this entire roof out. This wire came in handy. Hopefully it'll hold up for a couple of weeks while I get ready to tackle the roof. That's gonna look pretty damn nice.